he just can't see. She gives him loving that his body can't handle, and all he can say is, baby, it's good to me. One day he goes and takes a glimpse in the mirror, and he doesn't recognize his own face. His health is fading and he doesn't know why. 3 letters took him to his final resting place. Y'all don't hear me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna